wife, no friends, no pets, no nothing, just you in the car. YouTube, what is going on? Yo, welcome back to the channel, man. As you can tell, we are up early. So you can probably see, you know, what I'm listening to, what time it is, man. It is the first time in over a year and a half. We are up early on Saturday morning to go to Cars and Coffee Charlotte. This event has been on hold due to the whole thing. There's been a whole pandemic, whatever's been going on, and they have brought it back for the first time in a long time. So we're gonna go out there and we're gonna get some good footage for you guys, and we're gonna be there and very quick. And as I'm saying that, let me show y'all this BMW that's about to come up by me, man. Look at this real quick. Let me show you this BMW. I think he's going to Cars and Coffee too. So we're about to head out to Cars and Coffee, man. It's probably gonna be really packed out there. Like I said, first time they had this event in a while. So we are going to pick y'all up when we get there. Let's go. I told you it's gonna be packed, man. Y'all see the cars is rolling up already, man. Y'all got Ferraris over there. Y'all got this van truck right here. Man, it is big time packed, man. This is gonna be big, man. This is gonna be big for real. As you can see, man, we're sitting in traffic trying to turn in. Like, it doesn't even start till like 8 o'clock. It's like 7:30 right now, and it's already like a line to get in, man. It is gonna be crazy today, man. So y'all make sure y'all hit the like button. Another like Volkswagen going by. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, man, and stay tuned for this footage, because I'm about to bring y'all some of the hottest cars in the area, man. It's about to get wild, bro. It's about to get wild. It's about to be crazy today, man. We got some more Mustangs pulling up. And it's like, right now, the tracker right now, it's got like so much here. Y'all can see, man. It's like, all around. Ferraris. I done seen Audis put in. I done seen Lamborghinis. We got a C7 Corvette that's pulling up right beside me right now. It is wild already, man. And hold on, we just sitting in traffic. I'm showing y'all the cars that we seeing right now. There's like a 69 Camaro or something pulling up. Let me show y'all that real quick just to go by. Yes, sir. Like this meat, hit that popcorn going. This meat brings out like all the high-end exotics, all the, you know, all the backyard builds, all the old school classics, man. It brings out every single body in the city. And as you can tell, everybody in the city is already here, man. So you already know this one is going to be crazy, big and good. We are at a standstill just to get in. Try to get here early to get some good parking. I might should have got here earlier than this. So we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see how this is gonna play out. And hopefully we get some good parking here and all that. But I guarantee the footage is gonna be great today. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man, for real. I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get in, or if I see something crazy, man. So y'all, I'm telling you, we're still in line, and you can see there's more cars coming up here. There's like a Corvette right there. Ferrari still behind me. Man, this is already bonkers, man. This is already bonkers. People have been waiting for this event to come back. I can't tell you how big this event is for Charlotte. The biggest monthly meets that Charlotte has. I know we have Cars and Coffee Concord. Typically the turnout is never this crazy, ever. Man, bro, y'all stay tuned, man. Like I said, man, content is about to be crazy. There's gonna be a lot of cars out here, and man, y'all stay tuned for everything, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for everything. I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get parked, or if something crazy happens. Y'all know how that go. And we have parked, man, and it's not even 8 o'clock yet, and you can see the whole scene out here, man. Cars are still rolling in. It is going to be crazy, as I said before, as I rolled in, man. So I'm gonna have a lot of footage for y'all, man. Y'all make sure to tap in and stay tuned, man. It's going to be crazy good, crazy. can see, man, Queen City Challenge, we came up pretty deep. We got a couple cars here, a couple challenges and stuff, a lot of Mopars and stuff, some charges and stuff down that way. Not standing this guy away real quick. All right, I want y'all to check this car out right here. Y'all think it's all show? Bagged. 5.7 RT, right? 5.7. Check the brakes. 6-piston wheel woods, brake conversion. I'll tell you, this is all go too. Maximum supercharger. They got long tube headers, pushing 500 wheel horsepower. So this thing can go. You take a look at the inside real quick, man. Track harnesses. Now this the part, this is a showstopper right here. Bag setup. Make sure you follow my guy, Dennis here. Instagram. Tag, voided. We don't need that warranty. Maybe some people do. And got my guy Andy's Hellcat bagged as well. Now for details, got the carbon stripes going across the car on the octane red, and also on the air compressor tank in the back. Thing looking pretty good here, man. Looking pretty good. Keep walking on down here. Got a Hellcat here. Of course you see me, I'm posted up right here. Man, Chris Dillon. You see the intake manifold, not stock. Not stock. Make sure y'all messing with him. Mad Scatter. He does a lot of work on people's cars in the area, man. Now let me show y'all this. CLT Hemi. Yes, it's a BMW. Look at the guy. There you go, fast guy right here. He out here capping scat packs every day.
1 week, wheels coming.
Wheels?
1 week.
Y'all better check him out, man. He ain't playing. If y'all remember his scat pack, the two-tone joint, expect him to go crazy. You lying? Why you gotta lie on camera like that?
I ain't gonna lie to you. It's not as fun as a scat.
I got you.
It's faster though, but it's not as fun.
I got you. I feel you on that.
It's not as fun.
I feel you.
Like riding with him, like he just all over the road. I'm just go. Because it's more luxury than him.
Yeah. I mean, for what year was it? Is it?
My scat is a 19. That's a 14.
And it got like crazy technology in it.
To be a 14, you wouldn't even know.
And that's one thing about BMWs, man. Like, if you really don't know your BMWs, you can't tell what year this car is. Like, honestly, you can roll up to this thing and think it's a 2020 or something like that, man. This is an M series. This ain't your base model. This is like the SRT of BMWs. M5. Don't play with them. You see my guy over here, Santana Scat, man. You know, we've been a couple of my videos. I got them, yeah, I put work on them. I got them, yeah.
With my top speed of 40.
He was in valet mode, but we ain't gonna tell anybody else that though. See, man, we got a whole bunch of stuff. This is that Camaro I was showing y'all that was in traffic with me. G28. See the wheels on that thing, man. It's clean. See that? Show you some more stuff that's around here too.
But yeah, it's such a narrow strip.
See some more cars. Y'all know who this is, man. Y'all know exactly who this is right here. Y'all make sure y'all check him out. Y'all make sure y'all check him out. Right there. Keep on walking down the line here. That got pin 392. Elgato. 704 Mulatto. Knockout 360. You see, man, it's pretty thick out here, man. Of course, got the vets over here. Now this vet, I think y'all seen in one of my early Cars and Coffee videos here. I swear, this thing probably hit the gas. They probably start singing the national anthem and whatnot. You see, got some BMWs over here. A lot of M series, of course. Walk over here, we got all the American muscle luxury cars, aka Cadillac. See them all right here. See all the line of cars still coming in, man. I tell you, it's about to be a big one today. F30. F30 Eli, man. The sickest BMWs in the city right there. I ain't lying when I said there's everything out here, guys. Every car out here. Even low riders. Hey, how's it going, man? Buying for GT. T with the TA. This bay right here, man. Yes, sir. Save the manuals. See the tag, 101. Camaro 011 LE. Make sure y'all support my guy, man. A lot of people start YouTube channels and all that. My guy going a different direction with the YouTube channel, but you see my guy right here. Magazine on deck, man. Make sure y'all lock in and check it out, man. I don't know if y'all can scan this through the video, but if y'all can, man, try to scan this thing, man. Make sure y'all check it out, man. Definitely checking out a lot of the cars in the area, so y'all make sure y'all support my guy with it, man. Website right there. I swear, these cars taking me back to my childhood right here. We got the Countach Diablo. Straight Miami Vice vibes. See the car, gated shifter, red interior. Big air vents on the back here. This is like the creme de la creme Mercedes right here. The GT. Carbon fiber. It's metallic with the lime green on it, man. This thing bad right here, bro. This thing right here. I could whip this. So we got another Lambo over here. Check out the engine bay, man. Ford's carbon all through that thing. That's what that is. That's real Ford's carbon. And that's regular carbon. A little tidbit there for you guys here. All right. When I say everything shows up at this car event, I mean everything. Now, what we got here is FERRARI Monza SP1. Yes, I had to Google it. I had no clue what I was looking at. You can see it's like a $2 million car. It doesn't have a windshield. You don't have passenger seats. Like, literally, like, this is wild. It's probably one of the wildest cars I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, sure. What made him only do 5 laps?
And you can see it's a dedicated one-seater. It has a fire extinguisher on this side here. And that's it. No wife, no friends, no pets, no nothing. Just you in the car. All right, so a couple things I learned about this car while looking at it. It's like 1 to 500, about $2 million, and it's not street legal because, as you can see, we don't have a front windshield on the car. And this is the only one in this color ever. So if you see another one in this color, it's probably this car or it's a fake. So make sure y'all remember that, man. The Veil SS Cam-In. So I know Ford is going with the EV route with the Lightning, but we cannot forget about the OG Lightning, man. Supercharged with the King Veil, carbon fiber, racing seats in this thing, man. Respect to the OG Lightnings, man. When I say everything is out here, literally everything is out here. This is a legit boat. And you can see it's a boat because you can see the propellers under the car. Real deal boat right there. You can see the propeller spinning. And we have the DeLorean. There's a little bit of everything out here. Off-road. All right, guys, we're about to wrap up this video, man. crazy turnout as predicted, man. I tried to get as many cars on camera as I could have, but I couldn't get everything. But we tried, man. So I want y'all to let me know what car you like the best in this video. Make sure y'all comment down below. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel, like it, comment, do all that for your boy, man. We're trying to take it on up to the next level, man. You see it right there. We will catch y'all on the next video. We are out. Cut it.